Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to beat the pufferfish in How to Fish. This quest starts in the third island. In here you can find an injured tourist at the side. He will tell you to do some things first before you can get the bait for the main boss of this area. The first thing you have to do to get the bait is to find an endangered species first. You can catch it with your fishing rod using the standard lure you can buy from the shop and then knocking it out. To make sure that your catch is an endangered species, try to press F while holding it, and it will show the stats of the fish. You can also find that stat at the moment when you incapacitate the fish. It will have it in its kill score. Once you've found it, just give it to the tourist and then he'll give you the bait. Now for this fight, make sure you have the Uzi SMG and make sure to level its damage to the maximum level. When you catch the pufferfish, it will continuously roll on the ground trying to ram you. The only advice I have for you in this fight is to keep hiding behind trees to stop it from hitting you. When it's at full health, it will be very tiny and hard to hit, but as you progress further and lower its health, it will progressively get larger. Once it reaches half health, it will reach its second phase and will begin to leave trails of poison. In this stage, try to be aware of your surroundings so you don't get yourself trapped while trying to dodge the pufferfish. Eventually, as long as you fought well, you'll beat the boss and get your reward. Just give the pufferfish fin to the tourist and now you'll find the coordinates to the fourth island. And that's about it on how to beat the pufferfish in How to Fish.